Dear students, welcome you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Pune of Preparatory Bridge Course Test 3rd of Class 8 of General Sciences, which have marks 30 and based on activity sheet 1 to 24, and it has a time of 1 hour. So let's get started. The first question is complete the statement by choosing the right option. This question is for 3 marks. The first question is the frequency of audible sound is. The correct option for this is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Second is to avoid sprouting, potatoes are exposed to polarization. Third is the chemical symbol for calcium. You all know that the chemical symbol of calcium is Ca. Now question first B, which also have 3 marks, is write the answers of the following question. The first question is identify the constellations shown in the accompanying figure. Here figure is given. This constellation is Vrishchik or Scorpio. Now second question is solve the puzzle. An ingredient derived from petroleum and the main component of natural gas. The ingredient derived from the petroleum is gasoline, and a component of natural gas is methane. Now the third question is write the example of natural disinfectants. The natural disinfectants are alcohol, vinegar, hot water, hydrogen peroxide, essential oils. Now the question second. Before that, please subscribe our channel, like and share the video. The second question is write the answers of the following question. You have to answer any 6. It has a 12 marks, which means that each question have 2 marks. The first question is why does this happen? The sun appears red at sunrise or sunset. This is because sunlight reaches us through the layer of atmosphere. At sunset or at sunrise, the light reaching us travels a greater distance through the atmosphere. And you all know that atmosphere have different types of mixture like smoke, dust particles, all these. Due to the greater distance, there is more scattering of the blue color. As a result, the red yellow light reaches us directly and the sun appears red. हे पहा, जी लाईट जास्त पसरते, स्कॅटर होते ती दिसत नाही आणि जी सगळ्यात कमी स्कॅटर होते ती दिसते. म्हणून ब्ल्यू कलर स्कॅटर इथे जास्त होतो, रेड आणि येलो होत नाही. म्हणून स्काय सनराइजच्या वेळेस किंवा सनसेटच्या वेळेस red दिसतो. Hence the sun appears red at sunrise or sunset. Now the second question is draw a vertical intersection of the hibiscus flower and label its parts. Here I draw the diagram and labeled it. Now the third question is write the scientific name of the animal shown in the figure using binomial nomenclature. Here a cow is given. The scientific name of cow is Bos taurus, genus is Bos, and species is B. taurus, and order is Artiodactyl. The fourth question is how many constellations does a one season have if classified according to the season? It is said that in the rainy season the sun enters the Nag Nakshatra. What does it mean? The answer is classified according to the seasons. One season have 9 constellations. This is an extra question. Now the fifth question is what are the important components of toothpaste? What are their functions? The important components of the toothpaste are calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen phosphate, and certain properties of fluoride. These components remove the dirt and polish the teeth, and fluoride prevent tooth decay. Now the seventh question is which muscles contract and relax while lifting a heavy object from the ground? Biceps and triceps muscles are contract and relax while lifting a heavy object from the ground. Now the eighth question is if a person swims 100 meters in first 40 seconds, crosses 80 meters in the next 40 seconds, and crosses 45 meters in last 20 seconds, find the average speed. Here given is average distance, that is 100 plus 80 plus 45, that is 225 meters, and average time 40 plus 40 plus 20, that is 100 seconds. we have to find out the average speed. The formula of average speed is average distance divided by average time. Put the values. You know that average distance is 225 and average time is 100. By solving this, we get an answer, that is the average speed is 22.5 meter per second. Sorry, it is 2.25. That is the average speed is 2.25 meter per second. Write the answers of the following questions. You have to write any 4 answers. This question is for 12 marks. The first question is explain the properties of magnetic force lines with the help of suitable diagram. Here a diagram is given. The first property is they are imaginary connecting lines. They always run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Magnetic force of lines always run from North Pole to the South Pole. They are in a state of tension like stretched spring. Magnetic lines of force repel each other and they do not intersect each other. Now the second question is complete the following table. Here compounds name are given. You have to write its molecular formula and its constituent element. The first is the sulfuric acid. Second is washing soda, which is also called as sodium carbonate. And third is sugar. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4 and its constituent element is hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. The molecular formula of washing soda or sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 and constituent element is sodium, carbon, oxygen. The third is sugar. The molecular formula of sugar is C12H22O11 and its constituent element is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. To get more videos regarding the science, please subscribe our channel, share the link of video. The third question is write the medicinal uses of basil, amla, neem. You all know that basil, amla, neem are very useful. Some common uses are written here, that is basil, amla and neem are used for curing acne, diabetes, stomach problems, joint problems, skin ailments, hair fall problems, fever, cold and cough. The fourth question is complete the following. You have to write the nutrition in plant and animal. The plant has 3 types of nutrition, that is autotrophic, heterotrophic, symbiotic, and animals also have 3 types of nutrition, that is holozoic, saprozoic and parasitic. The heterotrophic nutrition are also again 2 types. First is insectivorous, second is saprophytic. Then parasitic nutrition in animal also have 2 types, that is ectoparasitic and endoparasitic. Here answer is completed. Now the last question of this test is what is fermentation? What changes occur in the substance during this action? Name the substance produced by fermentation in our daily life. The chemical process of conversion of one type of carbon compound into another type of carbon compound by the action of microorganism is called fermentation. Heat and carbon dioxide is produced during these changes. During fermentation, the daily used substances are yogurt, alcohol, bread, acetic acid, vitamin, antibiotics, etc. Here your third test is finished. To appreciate us, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt, any queries regarding science, please comment us in a comment section. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, be safe.